lot of what happens at the undergraduate level, a lot of what should happen at the undergraduate level, is a free search for vocation, a free search for that thing that's really going to grasp all the things you do best in your life and all the things you care about doing best.
I'm an Egyptologist, and I work with ancient Egyptian data sets. I work with coffins, I work with tombs.
So this is our castle at the Department of Linguistics, where we do a lot of research on how kids learn language. I mean, we're trying to help people who have disorders, but it turns out we don't actually understand how kids do this when they have no disorders. So that brought me to this question of, can we learn more about how kids, just typically developing kids, learn language?
Really, anything that interests you, that could be your research topic. And you have the chance here at UCLA to pursue it and get academic credit for it outside of the classroom while working with a faculty member.
I specifically in my research focus on the file sharing community, the peer-to-peer file sharing community. What I'm looking at is how it is that through language, the file sharing community has been criminalized.
Well, I'm very interested in researching Minoan ceramics. So it's sort of a smaller faction within art history because it deals with material culture and Minoan civilization specifically.
It took me about a year to figure out that I could have a degree in English, but still study Latino writers, Central American writers specifically.
There are two types of research projects. Students can work on a faculty-led research project, which means that the faculty member is researching something and the students can help the faculty member, or the students can find a project that interests them and ask a faculty member to mentor them. So essentially the students can create their own research projects. The Undergraduate Research Center for the Humanities, Arts, and Social Sciences is located in Murphy Hall on the A level. We offer workshops, help students get involved, workshops to help them manage their research project. We offer scholarship programs where students can do research and get scholarships in order to do research. Essentially, we are trying to help students take their research interests and run with them.
There are opportunities for people to work on an online dictionary of Egyptology. There are opportunities for students to work in a wide variety of other digital humanities projects that involve visualization, mapping, coding of tweets from the Arab Spring. So more and more across the division we see faculty who are not doing traditional kind of individualistic humanities projects, but who are opening up their projects in certain ways.
I think that's the first step, is just take a leap of faith, maybe take some of the recommendations that people are giving you when they say maybe you should go to office hours. Maybe you should go to office hours. They say maybe you should go to the Undergraduate Research Center and ask some questions. Maybe you should show up.
So as soon as I found that office, I kind of took advantage of as many resources as I could and ended up applying for some research fellowships, and they really just help you along every step of any process.
And so I do include the undergraduates in my research as much as possible with really managing this massive data that I'm dealing with. And if I didn't have that, it would be a total loss. It would be, well, I don't know about a total loss, but the photographs would sit there waiting to be processed.
Actually, this entire enterprise would not work but for our undergraduate students. So every quarter in our lab, we have between 8 and 10 undergraduate students working.
Even if you think you're not interested in research, or it's too intimidating, or it may be too much, check it out anyway. It's different than you think. It's different than I think every day. It changes.
Don't let your shyness hold you back about talking to people and asking people questions.
We really encourage students to stop by the Undergraduate Research Center for the Humanities, Arts, and Social Sciences at any time. There are incredible research opportunities available here at UCLA, and our goal is to help students take advantage of them.